You get up and you see if your turkey's done. If your turkey's done, peel it off the bone. Save the bones for turkey stock later in the week. Just wrap it up in your fork.
Which thing is that?
It was the gravy.
Oops.
Okay, so.
This is not normal. It's the show that's jinxing us.
Just don't worry about it here. All right, so now, what are the next questions here?
Dear?
I guess we'll just sing happy birthday.
Check the biscuits.
I did. Did I not get the biscuits out? Holy cow, what?
Is that the stuff that's on the bottom? Yeah, that's the stuff from the...
Oh no!
Okay, open the windows. We actually have a fire.
So that's the stuff that boiled over from the...
Okay, hold on. The stove is on fire. Dave, you know, why don't you get this on YouTube since the stove is on fire?
There it is.
So let me think here. How should we deal
You're
with
just
this
cooking it more,
situation?
don't worry. Whoa.
The beauty of live video, guys. Here, should I turn it off? Turn it off, yeah.
Jamie's assault puts out fire.
Well, happy Thanksgiving.
Join us next time for another great edition of...
Fire alarms.
Please buy our book.
I just don't even know what to say.
How do we stop them? How do we stop them?
Okay, we know the smoke detectors work. This is good. Gina's probably on her way over for her dinner.
She's right here.
So Gina's on.
I was like walking up.
Ceiling fan. Come on the shelf.
I love it.
So anyway, Gina, who gets to eat this
Oh
dinner.
my gosh, I should probably come back.
Well,
This
it's
is
actually mostly done.
You can go this way.
I just
Oh, that's
didn't get
okay. I
the.
don't want to be on
So
there.
the gravy boiled over, and then I had the pie boil over. Okay.
This
So
is an interesting.
anyway, that's how you do it. I don't even know what to say.
Hey, it's real life.
I don't even know what to say. Okay, so let me see.
All right,
if there's-
dinner's done.
Change the-